Yeah, hi guys, it's DJ Atomic 985 here from YouTube. I'm making another video today because I've just got back from Jamaica from out of town. And I thought I would show you what I bought. But as you can see, I bought a shitload of stuff, so we're gonna go through it one by one. Okay, start off with this one. Now, the reason why I bought these is because my new screen has only got one HDMI port. So first we have just the standard RCA plug to your 3.5mm audio jack. That is going to plug into my new sound system, and these two are for my set-top box, and that is a 3.5mm long cable that should be big enough. And there's that. You guess the standard HDMI plug. Again, that is 1.5 meters. So this one is going from my TV to from the PlayStation to the switch box. Well, here's the cable. You can see a standard HDMI cable. So I got that. But my next thing I got was another HDMI cable. Because I got my PlayStation and my set-top box. So I needed another one. So I bought another one. And this packaging is a lot better. Hopefully it'll pop out. Right. Pretty simple. And again, this is also 1.5 meter. So they're both 1.5 meter long cables. I also bought the HDMI switch box. So I guess open this for you with my trusty little knife here. Here is the front of the box. So you got a 5-way HDMI amplifier switcher. And now we will open it up and have a look. Oh my god. Now, first off, we have a little user manual which tells you basically how to use it, but it shouldn't be too hard. So we got that, and we get this simple remote control. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you gotta push whatever one that you want. Like if you got a PS3 hook into one, push that, or so on. So we get that. But we don't get battery. There's no batteries in here, but I got the guy to check the box before I left, and so he threw in 2 batteries for me, and they take your standard AAA batteries. So you're gonna have 2 of them, and this box does require power. So here's your standard 5-volt power converter to your normal small pin there. So we get that. And now for the main box itself. Okay, here is the box itself. So here we have the main input. You plug your HDMI cable in there to the audio monitor. Then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra inputs to plug in your Blu-ray player or your PS3 or whatever you want. So, and here's the power, and here's your little power socket. So that's the back, and if I turn this around for you, and here's the little select button, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights, depending on which one you have hooked up. And here's your light for the remote control. And that's your power light. Yes. So, that's all. We will see you in the next video. See you guys.